rechts. Eerst een links. Eerst een links, eerst een rechts.
Turn left. 10. Turn left.
Nou, links. Links, eerst een rechts.
Turn left. 10. Turn right. Turn right. 10. Your destination will be on the right.
Rechts. Stay rechts. Daar staan hy. Kijk, move, laat ons kyk. Die moeder kry. Kijk, net so.
Your destination is on the right.
Zo agterop. Sê weer? Ek gaan nou kyk. Hallo seun. Aha. Hy is gesluit. Hunter hier. Das hy. Ons moet 2 ligte hê wat agter toe draai. Vehicle recovered. Hallo my liefie, ons het die voertuig gekry. Ons is hier by die voertuig. Ons het hom. Ek weet nie. Wat sê die ou?
Ja, hy ry maar net verby, hoor.
Ja, wat toe vir hom vra vir backup, wat sê hy?
Ja,
Hello my brother, how are you doing? Lekker, thank you. Do you have a complainant of a hijacked Polo there by you? Alright, we just recovered the Polo. You're speaking to Anton from the anti-hijacking unit. We just recovered the Polo here in Dawnpark. Yes. Say again? It's still in good condition, yes. They broke some of the panels inside, but other than that, the vehicle is in good condition. No keys, my brother. No keys. Okay. I can't tell you because the car is locked. The car is locked. If you can give me okay, well, it's in Dawnpark. Let me just get you the street name quickly here. Hier is hy by my. It's called Tennyson Street in Dawnpark. Tennyson. Yeah, Tennyson. Alright, and across from number 1515. Yes. Anton. That's right. I'm from the tracking company, yeah. From NoJack. That's right. Okay, thank you, my Buddha. Thank you, bye-bye. Do you want me to give you a pin location? Have you got a cell phone number for me, and then I can send you a pin location? Thank you so much. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Hier sien.
Anton, ons is naby. Ons gaan dit gou doen.
Baie dankie, waardeer. Ja, al die telefoonnommers lei net. Daar's geen antwoord op hulle nommers nie. Ons staan hierso. Hier's niemand nie, net die voertuig. Ons het hom net gemis. Watch net. Right. Lekker en jy?
Lekker.
Goed man.
Lekker. Maar nou ons nou hier.
Dankie man.
Waar is gevat?
Benoni, dis Ricardo. Ja, Benoni. Ja, die klaar is by Zonkie besig om saak oop te maak daar. Dit
No, Anton Koen from NoJack unit. Yeah, but we got the members from Imperial here, they will book it, but just organize for a fingerprint warrant. Honeycomb. They're busy with the case number, we'll have it now. I started.
nee, dis gesluit.
Oh, it's locked, so you have
Locked,
to
ja.
get tow truck also. Tow truck and fingerprint.
Gaan hulle polisie insleepdiens kry.
Alles met die dag.
O, nee, dis vanaf dan sit
Yeah,
perfect.
just organize fingerprint will cost you get maybe get the tow truck. Thank you, Warren. Stop.
Hello.
Hello.
Gaan dit?
How is you?
Good, thank you so much. Good evening. Yeah.
What's the organizing fingers then?
Yeah, at least.
How are you, my friend?
Good, thank you. Ricardo, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Was Hunter!
Ek kom daar in die bakkie
Is hy in die bakkie?
HiJacked.
Ja, was HiJacked Benoni.
When binne?
I'm trying to find out from the complainant now. But they in Zonky, opening a case there.
Zonky?
Yeah, because they dropped him off there. Evening, no, is it morning already? Nee, long past.
Dis al amper oggendete.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no, we must make sure she's... So I got a Dutchie. So...
They're more stubborn.
No. Can I tell you what? I find the Dutchie to be much more obedient than the Mally.
I find the Dutchie to be much more stubborn.
Oh, no. My baby, she's much more obedient than the Mally. I won't say obedient, nee. The Mally's it's like a woman.
This one is stronger.
Oh, no, definitely. They've got much more of an attitude than the Mally. They've got much more of an attitude than the Dutchies. No, definitely. He's the one that the other one. Her name's Ava. I'm telling you, she was born with a storm.
Sure. I've got a female as well.
Yes.
When I got her, they...
Yo. No, that one is...
Nah, you see that female. Yeah, but she's so young, it's only like 4 months now.
Yeah, mine is 6.
Okay, no, it's not. Special breed of
Yeah,
dog.
they already put in
Ah, very.
Yeah.
That's like...
But if you touch my daughter, then she's coming for you.
Really?
Yes.
Yo.
Come
And the little ones know that. Isn't it as if they learn the way it works? Yeah.
Because if I do this to my daughter, she's there by me.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.